Welcome back. During these icy winter days, the kitchen becomes one of our least favorite places to be in. But have no fear, Radhika Gounden is near with some quick, easy and nutritious dishes. On our menu today, Radhika serves up a yummy and delicious aubergine stack. Truly amazing.
Hare Krishna, Namaste, Vanakkam, Sai Ram and Jai Gurudev. Welcome to Conscious Cooking with Radhika. On our menu today, we have a versatile vegetable, also known as Brinjal, eggplant or aubergine. To prepare this divine treat, we have a number of ingredients like olive oil, some thyme and spicy green chili sliced in half, a trio of sliced pepper, some chopped carrots, mini corn, some broccoli sprouts, and I prepared 2 potato mash here. It's been boiled in salted water and it's been mashed ready for use. Some brown sugar, some dried herbs and tarragon dried herbs as well. And we need a little bit of butter. We've got black pepper, which is going to be freshly ground, some coarse salt and honey, and not forgetting the vegetable of the day, aubergine. To prepare this lovely dish, I need to make an oil marinade for it. I'm going to pour in a little bit of olive oil, add some dried herbs to the olive oil. I'm going to add some salt. So as you can see, it's looking quite yummy. So we're going to use this now to coat our slices of aubergine. I'm a big fan of mashed potatoes. While that butter is starting to get hot, I'm going to use some green chili, so that also cooks in nice. So it's just a little bit of melted butter, it's some chilies, so I'm going to toss in my mash. It's starting to look glossy and thick, and exactly how a good mash should be. Now I'm making this as a main meal. So I want the brinjal stack with the work. Oh, that sizzle in butter, wow. Looking lovely, look at that. So I'm ready to toss in my broccoli florets as well as my mini corn with carrots sauteed in butter. I'm going to now focus on my thyme-infused butter so that I can add my, as soon as the peppers have released their sweet flavor, coupling with the thyme-infused butter, we'll be ready to assemble our aubergine stack. Our delicious vegetarian stack. Amazing aubergine.